Good morning, this is Mrs. Serber in the College and Career Center, and today we are going to be working with a powerful tool called Naviance. I'd like for you at this point to turn to your neighbor and discuss what this quote means to you. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Why might it be important to keep this in mind when you think about planning your future? Your teacher can pause the video and give you a chance to discuss this. Our essential question for today's lesson is this: what are some of the ways people overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams and goals? Today's objectives are to register your Naviance student account. Then you're going to use the app inside Naviance called What's Your Road to be matched to different leaders. You're going to explore the interview archive, and you're going to watch Roadtrip Nation videos and take Cornell notes to track your learning. Cornell Notes are a way to keep track of your learning. You don't have to fill the whole page. Remember, Cornell Notes always have a heading including the topic and essential question. Notes go on the right, main ideas and questions on the left, and then you need a summary that answers the essential question at the bottom. Fill in the top right-hand corner with your name, date, and Catvisory as the subject. And then write your topic, which is Naviance Roadtrip Nation. Your teacher can pause the video to give you a chance to write that. Next, you'll want to put in your essential question. Sometimes it can be hard to figure out what to write in your notes. The purpose of an essential question is to help you identify what information is important for your purpose. Today we are trying to learn how people overcome obstacles to achieve their goals. So as you listen to the video, be sure to record anything the speaker says that helps you understand how they persevered. Your teacher can pause the video to give you a chance to record this essential question. Usually on the left, we write main ideas and questions. Today you will use it to help you organize your notes by writing the name and profession of the leader you are viewing. After you take your notes, you can add a question or two to this column about something more you'd like to learn about this person or their profession. Be sure to write down at least 3 things that can help you answer your essential question. What does the leader say about how they reached their goals? Did they face any challenges? Do they offer any advice? You do not need to fill all the space, and you should skip a few lines between each note. You will use your notes in a few minutes after you register your Naviance account and view the tutorial for today's Roadtrip Nation activity, so keep them out and on your desk. Your teacher has provided you with a slip of paper that has your personal registration code. You will use this next to register your Naviance account. The thing you will do is type the URL in the address bar that is on your card, which is student.naviance.com/CJSH. You know you're in the right place if our Wildcat logo shows up. You don't have a login yet. You need to come over here and say, I need to register. You're going to type in the registration code from your card as well. Click register, and then you need to supply an email address and create a password. I recommend that you use your school email address and the same password that you use to log into your Chromebook. Click continue. And now it brings me to the actual login screen where I will use those login credentials to actually log in. And here you are. It welcomes you as a 7th grader. It's never too early to start thinking about your future, and a great way to do that is to identify your personal strengths, interests, and goals. All the activities in Naviance Student can help you dream big and reach higher. Knowing your strengths and identifying your interests will help you plan and set goals for yourself as you prepare for high school and beyond. Next, we will begin the actual Naviance Roadtrip Nation task, where you will choose a leader to view and watch, at least 3 minutes of video from their interview. This is where you will get the information to record in your Cornell notes. Once you're logged in, follow the Careers tab. And the second to last link here is the Roadtrip Nation Interview Archive. From here, you're going to answer some questions to find your road. They've gone on 52 road trips and interviewed 726 leaders and have over 5,000 videos. So you'll want to go through this to narrow your search down a little bit. You're about to begin your journey of self-discovery to help you figure out who you are and what you love to do. So define your road. The first step is what interests you the most. It doesn't matter what I'm doing as long as and with all of these tasks in Naviance, I encourage you to really think about your answers and take your time, because the more thoughtful your answers are, the more appealing your results will be to you. So for this one, I'm going to say it doesn't matter what I'm doing as long as I'm teaching and mentoring. Now I need to say I'm also into, and what do I want to choose here? Let's say technology. And here it's given me a series of leaders that have a similar road. They're suggesting that we watch some of the interviews and hear stories from people with similar interests. If you resonate with the people below, you've picked the right foundation of interests. So I think I'll go with this woman here, Georgia Weidman. And over here I can see some details about her. She's a founder and CTO of Shrevera Inc. Her interests are entrepreneurship and technology. She's always going to stand out, so she may as well stand out the way she likes. Here's her biography. And here is a series of video excerpts. Now you can see this one's only 51 seconds, 55, a minute and 4 seconds, 47 seconds, 39 seconds. So this is a good place to start because it gives you a little brief snippet of who this person is and what they're doing and what they're about. But you can also come down here and watch the entire video. Actually, this is the highlight. And this is the entire interview, which is 6 minutes and 31 seconds. And this is a highlight video, which is a minute and 39 seconds. So let's start there.
We were wondering if you could tell us maybe about your background, your childhood, your friends and family, and where cybersecurity started for you.
I was doing a PhD program in math for a year, and it quickly became clear to me that there's not that many positions like Einstein had where you sit around and do math, or like John Nash and that beautiful.
Okay, so these other snippets over here, they'll give you a little bit of a glimpse into what the theme of that video clip is. So this one, for example, the theme is follow through, and this is resources and skills. Now let's say you go through all this and you don't find anybody that you're interested in. You can always go back and do My Road again, what's your road, and re-answer those questions. Or you could click on any of these topic lists. So for interests, there's this list of different interests that you can look at. So if you're interested in medicine, they have 36 leaders who also identified. So these are cross-referenced and mixed up. So some people might have multiple interests, most of us do, and they'll be cross-referenced in different lists. You can also look by themes. Themes are beliefs in faith, acceptance, confidence, courage, culture, dedication, desire. You get the idea. So these videos are all organized because they share a similar theme. Leaders, but this only works if you actually know the name of the leader that you're interested in following. And that's a good idea if you do know the name of the leader. But if you know someone, they may not necessarily be in this database of leaders. But it's worth checking out if there's someone that you're really interested in. Your teacher can leave this slide on the screen while you work through your own Roadtrip Nation. Here are the steps you'll be following for today's lesson. You've already set up your Cornell notes. You're going to complete the What's Your Road survey, choose a leader to learn about, record the name and profession of the leader on the left-hand side, watch at least 3 minutes of video, and make at least 3 notes. Summarize your learning by completing the frame on the next slide. That's it. I hope you enjoy Roadtrip Nation. And remember, now that you have an account, you can go and explore Roadtrip Nation videos anytime you like.